Elias Nico.
Come on.
Olive.
Let's roll. Nico, you gonna show me some stuff or what? You wanna act like Nico? And show me your work? Nico, show me your work.
My dad was starting to lose his mind.
I'm not hearing it, Nico.
Well, it says that Mr.
Nico,
Beast.
can you read me the story?
Mr. Beast is important because of money and jobs.
Money and jobs.
Money and jobs. Probably, I think that's an inlet. Montañas y desierto. Desert. Dice. Oh, it's a life. Oh, look at his frog. It's so cute. Look at the adult frog. It's adorable. That's a.
Good.
Sure. Where's Olive?
We wanted to show you, used to show the work.
Yeah.
I read your Three Dragons story.
Like you.
So I've just got to
I'm stuck.
Why do people like think together? There, you can go in that direction.
Yeah, you got glitter on your forehead. It was really cool to run into Sheila. Did you find the basketball? No, that was too big.
Hey, roller coaster packet.
So what are you building?
Oh yeah, perfect. That you got this correct. Nice. So once you have all those four, then you could. I'll show you how to connect them.
Thank you.
Go.
A lot of work.
Is your loop done, Elias?
Into your elbow.
Okay, what is this?
Something I made a while back.
Is that a dinosaur?
No, it's a.
Is that a dinosaur octopus? A dino octopus?
I don't know what it is. I just made it.
Olive, what do you think of it? It's a dino octopus. Nico, do you like it?
Yeah.
Olive? Hold on, I want to see what he did. This is Elias's day. What'd you get?
What?
Is that all you did?
Is that the kid that came over from?
Dad, look at this one. It looks really cool.
Nico, look at that. That looks like a private area.
It's so fluffy. Go show Dad. Show Dad.
Elias, stop.
I'm hugging you.
Oh, someone has a DIY door.
Oh, yeah. It's fluffy.
Grabby. Punchy.
No, we gotta go eat dinner. Show me which one you did.
This one.
Which one?
So there's a good thing we don't have to look for money.
He did this one.
You did. That's
I really
excellent.
like that one.
Do you?
There's a bad option for that.
Nice. Look at that. That's so
Oh,
cool.
yeah.
Come over here,
Good
dude.
to see it.
Stand next to your picture. Come. I will film you next time. I'm proud of you. That's really cool. I didn't even know you know who Frida is. You know who she is?